Surge. Gwefr. Explore new worlds through dance. This autumn, National Dance Company Wales are touring 3 new pieces of dance, each different from the last. Across the 90 minutes or so show, you'll discover 3 new worlds spanning from ancient mythology through to futuristic sci-fi. Through the music, atmosphere and words by me, Alistair Sill, from Word of Mouth Audio Description, you will be transported through story, time and space. The evening opens with a unique collaboration between choreographer Faye Tan and artist Cecile Johnson-Solis. Infinity Duet is a dance between 2 people and a large swinging sculpture made of paper and metal. The dancers are dressed in black and white costumes printed with Cecile's charcoal sketches. As the sculpture swings back and forth, they move alongside it, shifting with gravity, weight and time. This performance is warm and soulful, set to music by Cardiff composer Richard McReynolds that features sounds recorded in the artist's studio. The crackling and ripping of paper create an immersive world to be swept away in. After a break, you'll be mesmerised by Marcus Moreau's Waltz, which has dazzled audiences across Europe. The soundtrack features music from across history, written in the waltz style, from classics such as Suspirium by Tom York. On stage, the dancers are clad head to toe in black sequins, appearing as glittering, otherworldly beings that move like oil across a stark, white landscape. They move with razor-sharp precision, and the noises of the dancers moving on the stage are amplified by a microphone to further immerse you. Waltz is a dystopian sci-fi adventure into chaos, order and control, hailed as utterly compelling by the Times. Finally, you'll be transported on a quest to discover Mabon by Osian Meilia. Inspired by stories from Welsh mythological classic The Mabinogion, this performance takes you on a journey through ancient Wales to meet the world's oldest animals. You'll meet a blackbird, toad, eagle, salmon and stag and owl in the dark forest, each with their own personality. Tradition twists with wild imagination in this modern myth. The fantastical costumes and rebellious choreography are interwoven with heritage, folklore and mystery. Inspired by the magical realms of Welsh mythology and set to new music by Welsh triple harpist Cerys Havana, which is as beautiful as it is haunting. Join National Dance Company Wales for this audio-described journey at Surge. Gwefr. Audio description will be performed live at Sherman Cymru and available as a pre-recorded experience at other venues.